I one of the privileges that I've had over the past decade is being able to really observe and learn from leaders of other countries.
Okay.
And for my understanding, every one of us, I mean, in any person and in any country, has the capacity to really excel if there is the right process, the passion in learning, and also the structure where learning would be made available to everyone. And I think this is where I am very sad right now on the plight of our Filipino employees. Because in other countries, they really invest in learning and development.